Today we're going to talk about communicating about issues. Effective communication is critical to every aspect of a successful job. Being able to work safely especially relies on effective communication between everyone involved in a work task or on a job site. Effective communication requires having honest conversations, which includes bringing up and discussing issues as they arise. Let's talk about some examples of scenarios when you should speak up. There is an endless amount of possible scenarios of when you should speak up and have an honest conversation to address an issue. Below are some general examples of when you need to stop and communicate an issue to get it resolved prior to continuing on. For example, when you see someone working unsafely, or when you do not have the proper training or knowledge to do the task at hand. Also, when you do not have the right tools or personnel to complete the task correctly. When a safeguard has not been implemented. Also, when a hazard is present that could injure you or others. So, how shall we go about communicating issues? First, take the time to have the conversations that you need to have to correct the situation. Also, involve the right personnel in those discussions. If someone is working unsafely, stop and have a respectful conversation about it. If you do not feel comfortable approaching them, approach a supervisor. Have follow-up conversations if necessary to ensure the situation was resolved and the measures are being taken so it does not occur again. If necessary, ensure that others outside the immediate work group are also informed of the issue and or the corrective actions of the situation that have occurred. For example, an investigation report or lessons learned report may be necessary to inform others in the company so a similar incident does not occur again. One of the most difficult things to do on the job at times is to have honest conversations. These conversations can be uncomfortable. That being said, honest conversations about issues as they arise are critical to being able to work safely. Issues that result in individuals being at risk for injury are everyone's problem, not just the worker who is put at risk of being injured. Therefore, let's consider how important it is that we have good communication, especially about issues as they arise.